Hey there, AI adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a mind-blowing revelation. GPT-4o has just kicked ComfyUI, Photoshop, and Canva to the curb all at once. Yes, you heard that right. In a single electrifying update, GPT-4o is here to revolutionize the way we create images, design logos, and even craft art. It has made all those old school and clunky tools practically obsolete. A bit of a disclaimer, this is a little hyperbolic, but hey, it's YouTube and we love a good exaggeration. So the breaking news is GPT-4o swoops in with its supercharged multi-modal image generator, able to whip up photorealistic graphics, playful cartoons, and even quirky logos with just a few keystrokes. Gone are the days of juggling multiple software like ComfyUI's complex workflows, Photoshop's painstaking layers, and Canva's template overload. GPT-4o is like your creative superhero. Faster than a speeding algorithm, more powerful than a pixelated punch, and ready to save your design day in a single click. Most importantly, GPT-4o's enhanced image generation is built right into ChatGPT. You can chat your way to jaw-dropping visuals. Need a slick logo for that new boardwalk ice cream shop? GPT-4o's got you covered. Want to turn your selfie into a Studio Ghibli masterpiece? Say no more. And the best part, it's all happening in real time using just your plain old language. No more endless tweaking and clunky interfaces or switching between tabs. This is the future of design, my friends, and it's here to rock your creative world. Sure, we know that GPT-4o might not literally vanish every trace of ComfyUI, Photoshop, and Canva overnight. But when you see its ability to seamlessly generate highly complex images combining multiple layers of prompts and other images, well, you can't help but wonder, are we really still using those old tools? It's like saying you still need a typewriter when you have a supercomputer that can write an epic novel in seconds. So, what does this mean for you? It means more time for creativity, less time wrestling with complicated software, and a whole new world where your imagination is the only limit. GPT-4o isn't just a tool, it's a creative revolution that is redefining art, design, and content creation as we know it. And honestly, it's pretty darn fun. Also, just so you know, a few days ago, Google also released similar capabilities inside their AI Studio platform that has similar capabilities of generating images using multi-layer prompts and other image inputs. You can also do image editing using plain old English. But GPT-4o has been consistently displaying better and improved abilities than the one from Google at this moment. My guess is that they have not plugged their best image models into AI Studio yet. Anyways, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of design and want to see more wild tech breakthroughs, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and designing even bigger. Peace out, creative geniuses.